We're here today at 407 LaRue Avenue in Beckley, West Virginia. Have a beautiful, remodeled, freshly remodeled, 3-bedroom, 2-bath right here in Beckley. Let's check it out together. Fresh out of the front door, you can see this sunroom right here with 4 windows looking out on the main street. And I really like the character that you're going to see all throughout this house, including all these multiple double sets of doors. And I really like the hardware that they've added to all of these doors. But coming into the living room, you can see over 9-foot ceilings. Again, this is an older home that's been completely remodeled. It has a lot of older character with modern taste, but it didn't do away with so many things that you just don't have in houses anymore. And I really like the floor plan of this actually, because you come right in, there is a half bath right here on the first floor, conveniently located for guests or when you're downstairs. And then this very nice sized dining room. I like the new hardware for the light fixture. But you can see you can have a very large table here for family and guests again. And also, wait till you see this kitchen. And you can see here in this very large kitchen, brand new cabinets, solid surface countertops, and check out this beautiful farmhouse sink overlooking the backyard here. It does have a nice sized backyard for a house right here in the city, where you can still sit out and relax in the evenings. And all new appliances, of course, throughout the kitchen. And then right here, conveniently off of the kitchen, is actually the laundry room. And one little nice touch I've noticed that I like is this little area here that already has power and tile. If you wanted to have a separate ice maker out of the way off the countertop, it'd be right here in this area, and then of course the laundry right here. And also a really neat feature off of the kitchen here is this back deck that is covered. You can see here it's not too close to the neighbors, and again gives you access right here to the backyard. That's very nice, very open and very flat and ready for you to enjoy. And so you can see it has a very nice open floor plan here on the first floor. It's very convenient how it's laid out. And now we got to go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. And right up here at the top of the stairs, you can actually see this nice open area that would be perfect for families with children. They could have a little play area right here outside the bedrooms and not downstairs where you might have guests. And coming into the first of the secondary bedrooms, you can see here that there's multiple windows let in lots of natural light. And actually behind the camera here, take note also of these old doors. They kept a lot of the character when they redid this house. This had the new hardware, but it still keeps a lot of the same character. And then also right here, you can see the second of the secondary bedrooms. Still very large, brand new floors, has a closet right there, and still plenty of good space for children to have their own bedroom right here. And conveniently located right here across from the secondary bedrooms is a full bath that has a shower and tub. And so that's very nice to have here on the second floor. And here is the master suite. As you can see, it has a very nice sized master bedroom, has some natural light still with a window there. And then here in the master bathroom, you can see a very nice tucked away water closet. It does have the dual vanities with a brand new oversized step-in shower. And then right here in the bathroom is the master closet, nice and tucked away from the entrance of the master, and right here with plenty of space. As you can see, 407 LaRue Avenue here in Beckley is a wonderful home, completely remodeled and ready for you to consider making it your own. My name is Garrett. I'm the listing agent and broker at Lakewood Real Estate Service, as well as our agent Tim Kirkland. Check out this house with either of us. Let's see if we can make this work for you and consider this beautiful home right here in Beckley.